There will be more sounding of the alarms when it comes to emergencies in Augusta. Tornadoes, severe weather, and other dangerous events are not uncommon in the Garden City. Now, Augusta is adding to its warning system to get the word out. Commissioners approved the installation of 4 new sirens. Those sirens will even include a voice alert system to let people know what the emergency is. This is seen as more tools to help keep the public safe.
We'll be able to put messages in the sirens that kind of will tell you, lightning, stay inside, or possible heavy winds. We'll be able to put a message in it that can go out as well. So this is us using every means possible to communicate with our citizens.
Chief James says the FEMA grant is paying $100,000 of the cost of the sirens, with the city paying about $50,000. The plan is to put the sirens at the McBean Community Center, Diamond Lakes, Warren Road, and May Park.